2023 was one of the best years of my life. I got to travel to so many new places, have new experiences, learn new things, try new food, and set new goals in my life. I believe that it was my traveling era. The end of the year brought a few disappointments because of some things that I had planned for 2024. I realized that not everything goes according to plan. After feeling sad for myself for a few weeks, I decided that it was time for a clean slate in the middle of January. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In this video, we are decluttering, organizing, cleaning, and refreshing my space and setting some new goals for 2024 because I believe that a clean physical space equals a clean mental space. The main goal for this is to separate all of the clothes and art supplies that I don't use at all, that I've been hoarding in my room, and I want to either donate those, give them away, or sell them so that everything that I have in my space are things that I use on a daily basis.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice? The second I get caught by you, I wanted you to know that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down.
The most tricky part is this cupboard right here because that has a lot of art supplies that I don't use at all. We're gonna go through that cupboard first because that's the bigger challenge, and then we're going to move on to our desk.
'Cause nothing feels the same without you now. And all my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting mine. But
Am I the only one who can't get rid of glasses, even if they're broken? I wore this throughout my first trip to Europe, and somehow I can't get rid of them, but I will now.
if you talk to me again, it'd be worth it. All my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting my whole life trying to be something I can't. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down.
You want it? Yes?
'Cause nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a long time for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you now.
Today is day 3 of the decluttering process. The only part remaining is my wardrobe, all of my clothes that I need to organize, and my desk area, which is my gaming setup or my work from home setup. It's pretty organized, but it's just gotten really dusty, so I just need to get everything out, clean everything, and put it back in place. So here is my desk. I'm just gonna show you a close-up of why this desk needs cleaning, because it looks pretty organized from far away, but it's just really dusty.
Things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. Make the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm somebody.
I have this bag over here, and I intend to fill at least that whole bag for donation, because I know I have a lot of clothes that I don't wear at all anymore.
Doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. Make the same when I'm on my own. Up, down, on the road. I've been around the floor. Rooftops, sliding doors. Just wanna know you more.
So this is the whole bag of clothes that I've separated. That was very successful. And here are my drawers after the organization, and I'm really happy with this.
I hope you wanna be with somebody, spending all of the night moonwalking, and with the view she could see her building. Try to tell her I know I feel it. Keep me floating when I'm on my back. Slow me down when I'm living fast. You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. Make the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. Make the same when I'm on my own. And it's the end of the night. Feel like you're dodging my.
Before moving on to the next things, I also want to clean my phone. And by cleaning my phone, I don't mean cleaning the screen and stuff. I want to clean up my space. I only have 128 gigabytes of memory, so I want to get rid of all of the duplicate photos and photos that I don't want anymore, and especially videos that I've used to make reels already, so that I have more space for this year. And maybe later I might just transfer all of my pictures to my laptop so that it's completely fresh and ready for the new year.
But then you're right by my side. Tell me it's all in my mind.
Although 2023 was a great year, I don't think I was as productive as I could have been. I will try to take more projects and collaborations this year and bring my focus back to YouTube because it's something that I love doing even if it takes a lot of work. I will also try to set up some habits to make my life more productive this year. Keeping all the productivity stuff aside, I also want to focus more on myself. I want to start reading more because I've always found it to be peaceful. I want to be able to say no to things I don't want to do and only let in positive energy. I also want to spend more time on taking care of myself, my skin, and my hair. That means I want to set up a morning and nighttime routine that I will follow throughout the year. And lastly, I will get back to bullet journaling every day this year. Those are the things that I want to start doing, but there are also things that I want to stop doing. I will stop caring about other people's opinions or compare myself to others on social media, and I will try to stop overthinking and keep unrealistic expectations from myself. And lastly, I will try to stop procrastinating, even if better late than never has been a life motto of mine. After a total of 5 days, cleaning and organizing my room is finally clean and my mind is at peace. For me, the new year starts now. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys have the best time in 2024. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I hope I'll see you in the next one.